Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an updated guide on how to search for a message within Gmail space on your Android device. Whether you're trying to find important information or just retracing conversations, this method will simplify the process. Let's get started with the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap the Chat tab. This is where all your chat interactions are organized. Next, you'll want to find the specific space where the message was exchanged. So, go ahead and open that space. Now, look up at the top right corner of the screen for the search icon. Tap on it to activate the search feature. Finally, type in a key related to the message you're searching for. This could be a keyword, a name, or even a phrase that you remember. And just like that, you'll be able to sift through your messages and find what you need with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.